Korean verbs, from dictionary form to real conversation. Today, we're going to look at why dictionary forms need to be changed before they sound natural in Korean conversation. If you're learning Korean, I'm pretty sure you've felt this before. That moment right after you use a new verb where you know the word is correct, but something just feels off. You've studied your flashcards, you've got the vocabulary, but when you use it in a sentence, the conversation hits a speed bump. It feels blunt or even a little cold. If that sounds familiar, you aren't alone. This is a common hurdle, and the problem isn't your vocabulary. It's how those words are packaged when you serve them up in conversation. There is a massive difference between the words we find in a dictionary and the words we use in real dialogue. That version of the verb ending in 다, like 가다, to go, or 먹다, to eat, is the dictionary form. Think of the dictionary form as a raw ingredient, like flour. It has all the meaning and potential, but it's not ready to be served yet. Using a dictionary form in conversation is like handing a friend a bag of flour when you promise them a cake. They get the idea, but it's not something you can actually enjoy together. You're giving them data, but you've dropped the social connection. In Korean, verbs have two jobs they must do at the same time to stay balanced. Meaning, what is the action? For example, to eat. Relationship. How am I relating to the person I'm talking to? Is my tone polite, casual, or formal? The dictionary form only does the first job. To do both, we take the verb base, the meaning, and snap on a social ending, the relationship. Listen to the difference. The dictionary form 먹다 sounds flat, but adding a polite, friendly ending makes it 먹어요. That ending softens the word and makes it ready for a real connection. Now, you might wonder, if we don't use it in conversation, why learn the dictionary form first? Think of it as the solid trunk of a tree. It's your neutral, unchanging foundation. Once you have that strong trunk, you can grow all the different conversational branches, polite, casual, or formal, depending on the situation. Plus, you will see the dictionary form in the wild, just not in back-and-forth speech. It's common in writing like recipes, diary entries, or newspaper headlines. So let's shift our thinking around this. Don't think of verbs as fixed, solid blocks. Think of them like clay. You have the raw material, and the real skill is learning how to shape that clay to fit perfectly into your conversation. From now on, here is your mental checklist. Step 1. What's the meaning? Grab that verb base. Step 2. What's the tone? Think about who you're talking to and pick the right social ending. Step 3. Connect. Put them together and just speak. If you take away just one thing today, let it be this. Dictionary forms are for learning. Modified forms are for living. You use the first to build your knowledge, and the second to build your relationships. Because at the end of the day, language isn't just about sending data back and forth. It's about making a real human connection. Your verbs aren't wrong. They're just waiting for that final social touch that says, I'm not just talking, I'm talking to you. You have the tools. You know how to shape the clay. So what conversations are you going to go out and start? If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to practice next. See you next time! Come hang out in Korean again soon!